delivery. Okay, we'll put that aside for a second. That's a huge, huge, huge box. Hi guys, it's Jamie. And if you're new here, my name's Jamie and this is my channel, and yeah, that's that. Let's just get into the video. I'm so excited to open this box. I've been staring at it all day and I really just want to open it. So you might be wondering, what is this? What is this big, giant box? I mean, it's huge and it's heavy. Oh, it's heavy. It is a mystery box. I have collabed with my YouTube best friend, Christina, aka Casey Konvos here on YouTube. And she has literally been like a true YouTube friend. I can't believe this is our first collab. I can't believe we haven't done other ones before, but this is our first collab. This is her right here. She's amazing. She has an amazing YouTube channel. Talks about her life and her experiences and just really anything she feels like hot topics. And her channel is great. I really, really hope you guys go and check her out. Subscribe. And she also has a mystery box from me. I sent her one and she sent me one. So our limit was $100 and there was no rules at all. Whatever you want, like you could pick your favorite things or makeup or skincare or clothes or food or whatever you wanted. And we sent them to each other and mine came in. I'm so excited. I just want to open it. Let's get into it. If you guys are interested in what I got in this big giant mystery box from Casey Konvos, then keep on watching. You have some clips of me packaging up her box. I will insert them here. Thanks, future Jamie. I'm past Jamie, and I am now packing Christina's mystery box. I'm obviously not going to show you guys everything that I got her because I want you guys to go watch her video and have her open everything up. I do have this beautiful Parents' Choice wipes box that I'm going to hopefully be able to shove everything into. It's already a pretty big box and I'm just hoping to God I can fit everything in here. I had to take some of the stuff out of the boxes. There's a sneak peek. There's everything down here. I'm so excited. I do have some like Montana made stuff in here so that she has some Montana stuff that she's never had before. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm gonna pack this up and then I'm gonna wrap it and I will just kind of do a speed through. And I can't wait to see what's in mine. Back to you, future Jamie. Let's get into this. Let's open this bad boy. Oh my gosh, it's like Christmas. Oh, this way, okay. Let's open her up. Oh, Lord. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's cut her open. I came prepared. I brought a knife because I knew I was going to need one, you know. I'm smart or whatever. All right, let's open it up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty already. Oh my gosh, okay. The first thing I see, I feel like I shouldn't have this on my lap, but I feel like I want you guys to see me like grabbing everything out of it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the first thing is this little like nail file kit. It's super cute. It has like little clippers and a nail scrubber. I've needed one of these for so long. Like my husband has one, but he's a mechanic. So I don't want to be using the same nail scrubber that he's been using. Like, no thank you. So I'm super, super excited about this. This is a super cute idea. So you guys can see it. Super cute. Oh my gosh. Already so cute. Okay, next thing. What's this? What is this? Oh, it's a purse. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's like a hand-woven bag. It's blue. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, and it has a bunch of pockets on the inside. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love big tote bags like this, and I love this color. Girl, this is gonna be my new purse. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I wonder if this was made in Mexico. I wonder if she got this in Tijuana where she is. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. The next item, y'all. What? What? Do you see these? I get it. I get it. I get it, Christina. I know what you're saying here. I know. Thank you for the handcuffs. Oh my gosh, she didn't. She didn't. I have to tell my husband, babe, yeah. Christina sent me handcuffs. Fuck yeah. I can't believe this.
Oh, hell yeah. Are they metal?
No, they're fake, but he wishes they were real.
And fuzzy.
Okay, the next thing, these are super cute. Oh, she doesn't even know, but these are my favorite team's colors. That's crazy. She didn't even know that. These are super cute. I love fuzzy socks. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't believe she got me handcuffs. I'm like shook. I can't even get over that right now. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out. Oh my gosh, is this a cardigan? It is a cardigan. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so cute too. Oh, I wish you guys could see this. This isn't gonna give it justice. Maybe I should try it on. Over my hoodie, I guess. Yeah, let's try it. I am a cardigan whore, okay? Like, I wear cardigans all the time. I don't know if you guys could see this, but don't mind my Christmas leggings and my Christmas sweater, but oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's nice and baggy. It's nice and long in the back, and it has pockets. Oh my gosh, score. Oh, and look how, like, far back the pocket. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. It's so cute. She knows me. I'm telling you, we live so far away from each other, and we've never met in person, but she knows me. She just knows me. The next thing I see is funny because I got her a cup just like this. Oh my gosh, so funny. Oh, it's a little Christmas cup, and it's so funny because I was just upstairs pouring myself a cup of coffee, and I was like, I wish I had a cute Christmas cup. Now I have one. Can you guys see that? So stinking cute. Okay, what else do we got in here? This is a little sign. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It says, bring me coffee and tell me I'm pretty. If that ain't the truth right there. So cute. Oh my gosh, she did so good. Oh, another pair of socks. Oh my gosh, and these are pink. These are Victoria's Secret socks. These are so cute. And they're really long. I freaking love these. Oh my gosh. I've never owned like any pink attire, you know, like had any money. I always spent all my money on bad things. So that's so exciting. Oh, what is this? Warm Touch Warming Jelly. Personal lubricant. Intimacy is in the touch. Is she sending me handcuffs and KY jelly? Is this what's happening right now? Is she fucking with me? Is she fucking? I have to open this. I have to see if this is real. Is this a prank? What is this? Oh my gosh. Did she really do this? Oh my gosh. What if it stinks or something? If she's fucking with me and this is a prank, I'm gonna freak out. Okay. It doesn't smell bad. Thank God. I'm like so afraid of being pranked. It is just lube. It's like legit lube. She sent me handcuff and lubes. Okay. This is more for my husband. Censor. Okay. Nana, if you're watching, I'm so sorry. Okay, next thing. I can't believe she got me. I'm like literally shocked. That's the best thing ever. Oh my gosh. Okay, shower fizzers. Therapeutic, exotic, uplifting. Oh, these are little bath bombs. These are really, really cute. Oh, and they're coconut. I love bath bombs. Oh, what else? We got another cardigan. If she got me 2 cardigans, I'm gonna be shook right now. Are you kidding me? It's the same exact style, but this one's like a light or like a darker gray, and it has like a different cut. Like this one here is like more of like a wool material, and then this one is like really like more thin and airy. I really like this one. Oh my gosh, these are so stinking cute. All right, what do we got here? Is this a scarf? Is this a scarf? I am a scarf whore. Cardigans and scarves. I swear to God. Oh my gosh, look at this. Hey, hey, my scarf. I'm in my scarf. I love these infinity scarves. She got me the cutest stuff. I feel like my box sucks now compared to hers. Oh my gosh, if you want to know what's in her box and what I got her, you have to go over and watch her video. I will have her linked all over. I'll have her linked in my description box. I will throw her card up here to her video to see what I got her in her box. So you better go check her out. And I'll also have her channel linked at the end of the video. So you can just click it right at the end. All right, what do we got here? Oh, it's a bag here. There's some goodies in here. What do we got? I'll take them all out just so I don't have to, you guys don't have to hear this loud bag. Okay, Touch of Love Blackberry and Lilac Body Lotion. Oh my gosh, yum. Oh, that smells amazing. I actually love this lotion. This is a lotion I get all the time too, so that's so funny. I wonder if this is like one of her favorites, because this is one of my favorites. Oh, a hair mask. Hell yeah. I've never done a hair mask ever, you guys, ever. And I was just watching a YouTube video and I was like, I want to try that. Like, I want to see what that's all about. So look, I have a Repairing Honey hair mask now. So exciting. And she got me some other masks. A glitter face mask. Oh, y'all, I'm gonna be like blinged out in my mask. All right, like, what is this? Skin recharging for stressed skin. Yeah, you know that. Cool. Recharge, girl. You know I need to be recharged all the time. So I drink coffee until 3 a.m. All right, what is this? Unclogs pores and lifts away impurities. Oh, it's a little facial. Cute. A little charcoal facial. And then it looks like we have a gold facial too. Oh, girl, gold and glitter. My face is gonna look so snatched after this. I'm telling you. She just hooked me up. I'm gonna look so good. Oh, this is a big boy. You guys. She got me a Dr. Teal's gift set. Oh my God, there's a cozy blanket inside. Oh my gosh, I have to open this right now. Oh my gosh. I was just telling my husband, I was like, we need more throwables blankets, and we have like 8. And he's like, we do not need more throw blankets. And now I have another throw blanket. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's soft. Fuck out of here. Okay, so it comes with some pure Epsom salt, comfort and warmth, ginger and nutmeg. Oh my gosh, this is really nice. And since I broke my lower back, like right above my tailbone, I actually broke it. I'm sitting on a donut right now, which you guys can't see, but baths with Epsom salt definitely help. So this is so awesome. That's gonna be amazing because all I have right now is just like plain Epsom salt. It was 98 cents at Walmart. That's all I got. All right, this is what is this? Foaming bath. Oh, so this is like the foaming bath transforms your bath into a relaxing spa of essential oils. Oh my god, it smells good. Oh, it smells so relaxing. I'll probably fall asleep in the tub and drown, but that's how good it smells. And it looks like it comes with a little face mask, like a little eye cover here. Okay, so this says peace, and it's a little eye cover. Like I could put this on in the bath and just be like, leave me alone, children. Don't touch me. Don't come in here. Mommy is taking a bath. And then when I get out, I can cuddle in this amazing blanket. It's huge, you guys. It's ginormous. Thank you. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. White's kind of a bad idea in my house. Not gonna lie, but I just want to make sure my kids don't get a hold of this. This is Mommy's special blankie. Don't touch. Okay, what else? Ooh, 2021 12-month calendar. Every moment matters. Oh, cute. It's a little calendar. Got the months with little positive affirmations. That's the word I'm looking for. Okay, positive affirmations calendars. Like literally everything she got me is just stuff I would totally get myself if I got myself stuff. But like I don't. I'm a mom. I always get everybody else stuff. So like this is stuff I would like want to get, but I would just be like, no, I don't need it. You know? So that's so sweet. What's the last thing? Oh my gosh, shut up. Shut up. She got me a California sweater. She hooked me up with clothes, you guys. Look at this. It's a California sweater. It's so freaking cute. That's so funny. You have to go watch what I got her because I got her something a lot like this. Oh, I love this. I think this is my favorite thing, honestly. This, super cute. Oh my gosh. So I have so much stuff in front of me, you guys. Seriously, I have so much stuff. I'm overwhelmed. But the two shocker things, you guys, these. What's going on here? I got handcuffs and lube. Okay. You got me. You got me. You got me, bitch. You got me. Okay. I got 2 pairs of really cute socks. I got an awesome whole plethora of bath stuff and a bunch of face masks, lotion, scrubby thing. Like I'm gonna have a full freaking spa day with all this stuff. I got a really cute sign and a calendar, coffee cup, 2 cardigans, you guys, adorable scarf that I'm literally gonna wear till it falls apart. I love this color. I love that she got me neutrals. She knows I'm a neutral Nelly. I am a neutral Nelly. I don't like to wear bright colors. She's the complete opposite. She's like obsessed with pink. So we're totally opposite when it comes to that. So I'm so glad she got me neutrals. And she got me this bag, which I'm so happy about. This is so cool. I feel like this is way more than $100. I hope she didn't go over budget because I literally went exactly. I think my total was like $100.53, like with everything total. This is amazing. This was literally the coolest video. Please go and check out her video. Seriously, you guys, she is hilarious. She is real and upfront. She is so funny and so caring. She's a mom of 4 kids. She's busy and she works full time. She is a breadwinner. She is a boss bitch, okay? So please go over to her channel and support her. Go see what I got her. I can't wait till she sees what I got her. Oh my gosh. Seriously, this is amazing. I love this so much. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Christina. Thank you for being my YouTube sister. She is doing a giveaway when she hits 800 subscribers, you guys. So go over there, subscribe to her because she's gonna be doing a giveaway at 800 subs. So you gotta get over there soon. I am so freaking stoked. Oh my gosh. I really want to put this California hoodie shirt on like right now and see. It fits. It's so cute, you guys. Check it out. Check it out. California knows how to party. California knows how to party. Never mind. Anyways, I love it. I love this so much. It's so soft. It's so cute. I love everything. I am so blessed to have a friend like Christina. So please go and subscribe to her. Go see what I got her in her mystery box. I will have that linked right at the end of the video. Please go watch it on her channel. This was amazing. I loved this so much. I had so much fun opening all of this. The handcuffs and the lube, girl, that got me. That got me so good. I love you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. I have been off of YouTube for like 4 months now, so I could really use a little extra help. So do all that cool YouTube jazz for me, and I will see you guys on the next video. I love you guys. I gotta go. Honey!